Stories for kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Fofoy and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Magical Paintbrush. In a small village nestled at the foot of a mystical mountain, there lived a young artist named Mia. Mia had a special gift, a paintbrush that had been passed down through generations in her family. But this was no ordinary paintbrush. It had magical powers. Whenever Mia dipped the brush into a pot of paint and waved it in the air, the colors would come to life, transforming into real objects. With a stroke of her brush, she could bring her imagination to reality. One sunny morning, Mia set out on an adventure with her trusty paintbrush in hand. She ventured deep into the heart of the forest, where she discovered a hidden clearing filled with vibrant flowers, playful animals, and sparkling streams. As Mia explored, she came across a sad-looking squirrel named Sammy. Sammy explained that the once colorful forest had lost its magic. The trees were dull, the flowers were whistling, and the animals had lost their joy. Determined to help, Mia used her magical paintbrush to bring the forest back to life. With a wave of her brush, the trees turned shades of green, the flowers bloomed into rainbow colors, and the animals danced with glee. Word of Mia's amazing powers spread throughout the forest, and soon creatures from far and wide flocked to seek her help. She painted a magnificent rainbow to brighten the sky, crafted a golden crown for the king of the squirrels, and even painted a magical boat that could sail on land and sea. As Mia used her brush to bring joy and wonder to the forest, she discovered that her painting had power to touch the hearts of others. With each stroke of her brush, she painted scenes that inspired bravery, kindness, and love. One day, Mia stumbled upon a hidden cave guarded by a wise owl named Oli. Oli revealed that deep within the cave lay a treasure, a blank canvas that could bring dreams to life. Mia eagerly accepted the challenge, determined to use her brush to make the dreams of others come true. With her newfound power, Mia painted scenes of laughter, adventure, and friendship for the creatures of the forest. The animals, once filled with sadness, now found hope and happiness in Mia's magical paintings. As the forest flourished with new magic, Mia realized that her brush was not meant to be kept to herself. She began teaching others how to use creativity and imagination to bring beauty into the world. Together, they formed an art community where everyone could explore their artistic talent and create wonder of their own. From that day forward, the village and the enchanted forest thrived in harmony, thanks to the magical paintbrush and Mia's generous spirit. Mia's artwork adorned the walls of homes and galleries, inspiring generations to embrace their creativity and share their gifts with others. And so, the legend of Mia and her magical paintbrush lived on, a reminder that art has the power to transform the world and touch the hearts of all who experience it. The end.